So the studs are hot when you get close to the case? Yeah, let's go blow. What do you wait?
Ow.
Ow! Was the crap hitting you? Has that got hot air blowing off of there? Is that hot air? Is there hot air blowing off of that?
Cool this damn thing
So
off.
if you pick it up down here, it's hot. If you pick it up here, it's cooler?
Yeah, who would have thought?
I don't know. Don't hold down. Hold up here.
Oh.
Okay, where's your towel at? Wipe out the nasty stuff. Put my tools back here. Here's your bolt. Do your fit there, see if it works.
It's still hot.
What? It's warm. It's hard to believe that case is warm right now. I can't believe it.
That's what I was saying. Hard to believe.
Yeah. What are you living dangerous for? Oh, you've actually seen the threads any good? Come on. You're asking a lot now. Oh, that thing's like brand new. It's like your crank, nice and loose.
I didn't go down very far, actually. Yeah.
They only go a little over half inch.
Yeah.
See if these other holes are any better. Probably not. Looks like it's pretty wobbly to me. Yeah, that's a good fit.
Well, here's the thing, though. If I bottom it out, then it gets nice and tight.
There, it's perfect.
Yeah.
Bottom it out.
That's the trick, right? You want to bottom it out and push the threads, yeah.
You know, the best thing to do is put studs in there, but it's hard to put nuts on the primary on some of the different ones. But if you put the transmission side cover studs on there off of 4-speed, they're 5/16.
Yeah.
You put them in there, and you don't have nearly the problems when you have fucking bolts. Because the stud will protect the case, and the nut is on the stud, so it doesn't screw it up.
Have you ever run studs on a wheel?
Harley did back in 81 and 2.
Oh, really? For the sprockets?
Yeah. Yeah, up through 83 they did, on the FL.
Oh, wow.
On the FLs, yeah.
Makes sense.
On the FXR, too. The FXRT.
Yeah, no way.
They had studs on the wheels factory, yeah. But then after they just went to bolts, because it's cheaper.
Yeah.
It's always about saving a buck, not being better. Okay, get that all wiped off?
Yep.
Okay, we need our holding fixture.
Holding fixture?
Where's your holding fixture? You want your bolt back, stud back?
Yes, please.
You want to take that off.
I'll put this on the wall.
I mean, somebody put the tools away? It's hard to believe.
Unbelievable.
There, you work the camera. So you want your bolt back.
Bang.
And they're pretty tight. Notice that? Yeah, that's a big bolt.
Perfect.
Charge you for my new tool.
You got a clearance issue.
No, it moves out of the way.
Iron. Where'd my crank go? Somebody put it in a bag.
It's stuck.
Will that just lift it up?
Yeah, just lift it up. Yeah, I trust that. Well, now the bag's dirty. Get the bag all dirty now.
That's dirty.
You need to wipe that off.
I'm not wiping off the bag.
Put that bag away, I'm going to use that.
I know. Set it down. Perfect.
Oh, yeah, I need that thing. Are you pissing one about it being warm still?
Okay.
Alright, who's that?
Case holder, tool holder, factory installed.
Case is still hot.
Oh, who'd have thought?
At least on these thick, heavy parts, you can hold on to right there.
Ow!
I'll put it in there. So now you gotta pick it up by the case.
Yeah. Remember when we weren't going to install the other case, or the case, to the crank so I can paint it?
Yeah, but you said you didn't care about that.
Yeah, but yeah, I'll just do it.
Throw me that rag over here.
Watch out, it's hot. Did you know that?
What?
The case is hot.
It is?
Yeah.
You sure?
I'm pretty sure. Let me see. Yep, case is hot.
Oh, it is hot.
Kind of hot.
It's only hot if you touch it.
Yeah, yeah.
You gotta really squeeze hard to pick this up.
Yeah, so I'm cooked. Does a tree make noise if it falls? Oh, round the bearing. There you go.
Still hot. She's still hot.
Should we just hydro dunk her?
Yeah, you cool it off.
At the other case.
Put a cold ass case on it.
Well, I might as well goop it up right now.
You already had goop on it.
Well, to seal it.
Why?
Because
it's hotter than shit right now.
Oh yeah.
Are you gonna burn your finger putting your goop on?
Probably.
Okay, where's your bolts then? 3 bolts.
Bolts.
You know what we're using?
Oh, nice. Found it.
Oh, there, I need that one. Yeah, it's one of the ones I need. One of the Dallin ones. You know, that's gets for a bolt now.
No. Too much?
Yeah. Yeah, it's up to like $40 a piece now.
Jeez Louise.
Yeah.
God.
That's no nuts or washers either. That's just,
Hey, remember, those are special bolts and nuts and washers.
they are because they are S&S size. They are not Harley size.
Yeah. Monopoly at its finest, huh?
They're a 3/8 diameter basically instead of the oddball 11/32 style size. Not quite. Still got heat on this side. This side's cold. This side's warm.
No, it's transferring over.
Yes, it is.
Oh, it's like a good warm, though.
It's warming up. Yeah, it's getting where you can touch it now.
Hit it.
Plug fit. That's all we need. We don't need to put anything together because it's not going to fall apart. I can put one of these on here is all I need.
How do you like that? How do you like that?
It's a bit of fall across. I always do before I put the motor down.
Yeah, I know, but they're matching cases.
They're never perfectly matched.
Yeah.
Alright, those aren't going to fall out, and this will keep it from moving apart. It's transferring heat pretty good now. It's still warm, but it's,
Yeah.
you can hold on to it, but it's hot. So it burns you when it touches.
Yeah.
It's still warm.
Yeah, I could feel it an inch out.
But it's transferring. So you go like this. Is that your 1 to 3?
No. I was about to say, sounds like 8.
Or more?
Yeah, or more.
Ready?
10, maybe.
No, it ain't that bad.
Okay.
It's definitely 5 to 10 now. It's got a little bit in there. Probably not that loose. It's probably 5 to 6 thousand. Nice and true. I think it's pretty true.
Should we put an indicator on it?
I don't have one.
Okay.
I
Done
just
with this?
eyeball them. I just eyeball them.
Keep recording?
So I'm looking at the gear, not wobbling. So you look right through the hole right here at it. You got a good reference, so you can see any movement.
Let me zoom in.
you can see any movement at all.
Yeah, go.
No, it's the angle we look at like this. So you look at the angle like this,
Oh, okay.
and you can see any movement at all on it. So hold it up here. And go like this. If there's any movement at all, you would see it because you got a good reference right next to it. It ain't moving at all. Because we had that one at about a third of a line. It was half a line on this side. So that's
Yeah.
3/4 of a thou and half and 1 thou on this. Close we can get it because the crank's screwed up.
Yeah.
So I can make this side perfect, but this side here was out.
It'll be
Well,
out
it's too-
more.
It was
Yeah.
a thou and 3/4.
Yeah.
It's too much out. So split it. Split the difference. Oh, we left the washer on.
Perfect. You don't need that.
You want this?
Probably. No.
Probably not.
Alrighty.
All
Close
right,
her up.
we're done with this one.
Farewell.
Get home, get it out of here. I got work to do.